Okay, this is the all you'll ever need all lobster season long. All you need is an aluminum tickle stick, and at the end where there's a hole, you get the steel cable the size of regular tickle sticks. I got this out of a tickle stick, I mean out of a lobster snare that I found underwater, so it's stainless. You can get these aluminum crimps at Lowe's or Home Depot. What you do is you loop it through the tickle stick and crimp it, and then you have the right amount of length for a snare, and then you loop it around the line and crimp it. And careful not to cut yourself on this stuff. Use gloves. I cut my finger. And basically you loop it around the lobster, and when you pull, it automatically tightens up around his tail instantly. Boom, you got him. Boom, you got him. So as soon as you see that lobster, tickle him out, get this around his tail, and yank, and you have him. Just pull him straight towards you so he doesn't get a chance to get out. It is a ingenious new system, more compact than a snare and a tickle stick. You can hook it right to your BCD or your freediving gear if you're freediving. And it's heavy duty. This won't wear out. If you do this with smaller, weaker line or monofilament line, it works, but it wears out quick. This won't wear out, it won't miss shape. This thing will last for years.